Yeah, hello everyone, Clinton here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to create a bootable USB drive. Okay, first thing you need to do is to go over to this website called Rufus. I'll drop the link in the description, and you have to go ahead and click on download. You can either download this one or you can download the portable version. I'm just going to go ahead and download this one right here. And after that, as you can see, this is my download. I have successfully downloaded that. This is the exe file, and I'm just going to go ahead and just run it. All right, so now we are in our Rufus. All we need to do is to make sure we have a flash drive plugged on into the system, and right here I'm using a 32 gig. Okay, so once you've plugged in your flash drive, you can go ahead and select this boot selection, leave it on disk or ISO image. Okay, and you can leave this on select. I think this is a new upgrade. You can leave it on select or leave it on download. For this tutorial, you will just use select, but this is what download looks like. When you click on download, it's gonna actually run the download script, and it's gonna show you versions of operating system you can actually bond to the disk. Okay, from here there's Windows 11, Windows 10, 8.1, 7. Okay, this is just for the download section, but we're not going to be using download because it's really slow. Okay guys, if you are actually enjoying this video up to this point, or it's actually helpful, go ahead, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you could support me. All right, what we will be focusing on is our already pre-downloaded ISO images. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and select. So from here, I'll select Windows 11 or in Ubuntu. I'll use Windows 11, and as you can see from here, we're going to leave the image option on standard, and this part here should be on GPT. Target system would just be on this default here. Okay, going down, you can actually rename the volume, which is going to be this is going to actually be the name of your flash drive. You can actually come here, click here, edit it, but I'm not going to do that. And the cluster size, you should leave it on default 4096 bytes. All right, so the file system, you will leave it here on NTFS, and once you've done that, go ahead and click on start. It's going to show you this new window where you can actually go ahead and do some other settings here that might be helpful to you. You can disable the BitLocker automatic, disable the data collection, set your region options to the same value as the users, and this one here, create a local account with username, and you can impute the username you want to use here. I'm not gonna edit any of those, but on a default, this tool is already checked for you. You can uncheck it if that's what you want to do. Okay, so once you've done with this whole part here, just go ahead and click on OK, and once you click on OK, it's going to show you that, well, clicking OK one more time is going to actually destroy anything you have on that flash drive. This is a warning. Make sure you don't have any important data on the flash drive you want to use to create this bootable USB drive. Okay guys, this is basically everything you need to know. See you guys on the next one. All right, if you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can support me. Okay, peace out. See you guys in the next one.